Welcome back. In our first lecture, we explored the evolution of database systems and got a high-level overview of the different types of databases available today. Now we are ready to focus specifically on relational databases, which will be our primary focus throughout this course. By the end of this session, you understand not just what relational databases are, but why they've remained so dominant for over 50 years, and how their core concepts translate into practical database design. We'll start with the history of relational databases in SQL, explore why they remain relevant today, dive into core concepts with visual explanations, compare database tables to spreadsheets, and finish with an introduction to ACID properties and transactions. Let's begin with how it all started. The story of relational databases begins in the late 1960s, during a time when data management was becoming increasingly complex. Before relational databases, as we saw in the last lesson, organizations primarily use hierarchical and network database models, which store data in rigid tree-like or graph structures. These early systems worked, but they had significant limitations. Data relationships were hard-coded into physical storage structure, making changes difficult. Retrieving data required navigating through these predefined paths, which meant application developers needed intimate knowledge of the database structure. The earliest computerized data management systems were simple file systems. Organizations stored data in flat files with fixed formats, which quickly became unwieldy as data volumes grew. Searching through these files was inefficient, and maintaining data consistency across multiple files was nearly impossible. Imagine trying to manage a company's entire inventory using nothing but text files. If a product appears in multiple files, updating it would require finding and changing every instance, a recipe for inconsistency and errors.